Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you could turn on active status on Facebook. So it's pretty easy to do. It's very simple, but just make sure you watch this video all the way through so you understand how to turn this setting on. Now, let's go ahead and get right into the step process of how you can do this. Now, go over to the bottom right hand corner and there's going to be the menu option. All you got to do is just click menu option here, and basically it's just going to show you like the regular here menu, and then go down to settings and privacy and then click settings. Now when you do that, you're going to want to make your way to the audience invisibility section of settings here, and then under that the very last option is going to be active status. So all you got to go ahead and do is just click that, and then it's going to show you the active status setting here. Now you have the option to turn it off or turn it on, but if you want to turn it on to let your friends and connections know that you are active, just go ahead and toggle it on. It should turn blue, and that's how you know it is on. So basically any friends, any connections or followers that you have will currently see that you're active on the profile, so it'll let them know when they can message you or when not to message you. And basically it just lets you know that or lets them know that you're active on Facebook. So that's how you turn on active status on Facebook. Is super simple and very easy. So if you did find this video helpful, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, I'll see you all for the next one.